I wonder what I should do today. I mean, like, there's so many things to do. I know, right? Who said that? Oh, it's me, bro. What's up? What's up, bro? Yeah, wait, Tails? Yeah. What? Are you playing the new? Oh, you're just playing on the black screen. You know that? Yeah. So, what do you want to do today? I don't know. Like, I I'm playing a card game. So, like, I wanna get, like, maybe a Lamborghini, I don't know. Like, something like maybe like a Bugatti. We don't even have that much money. Okay, maybe you're right, but I don't want to buy it. Use my money, dang. Wait. No, I'm not gonna even question why our friends are on the floor. Oh yeah, I picked them up, like, I don't know how long ago, but like, still. Can I join you guys? Like, I want to join you in the thing. What you mean? I say no. See, no. Yeah, let's go do it. Okay. We're finally here. It's daytime. See, like, it's daytime, at least. Yeah, bro. I wonder where, I don't know where, I forget his name. Oh, yeah, I think Tigger should be here any minute by now. Yeah, I think he's kind of slow. I'm back. Why did you have to run? Oh, because we were on the highway, walking or running, whatever. Okay, so, guys, make your decisions. What do you want? I'll pay for it. I want to get, a Lamborghini, bro. It's so sick. Okay, what about you, Tails? I want to get a Bugatti. I mean, nice, shiny, so cool. It's time for my normal walk. Wait, guys, what are you doing here? Tails, Mario, Tigger? Oh, we're buying a new car. I mean, like, we don't really need to run anymore, because you know what, Tails wants to get a car. It's his solution, totally. Oh, that's cool. Whatever. Mario, can I join you in this quest thing? Whatever. Sure. Yeah, sure. Okay, let's go. I'm gonna go. Yeah. Woo! Woo! Yahoo! Yahoo! Guys, what do you guys want? I wanna... Wait, what are the choices? So, Lamborghini, Bugatti. Let me think. Honda, Tesla. Okay, that's pretty much all of them. Okay, so what do you choose, Sonic? I think I have to go with... What is it? Ferrari. I don't know. I forget if I even said Ferrari, but whatever. What about you, Tails? Ferrari. What the heck is a Ferrari? I meant to say Ferrari. Sorry. Okay. What about you, Tigger? I have to go with Bugatti. Okay, I'm gonna go with Lamborghini. Okay, so we're getting a Ferrari, whatever that is. So, let's get to it, guys. I need you to stay here. I need to sign those contract things for pretty much 3 something hours. So, yeah, I'll be back. Hello? What'd you like to get? I would like to get a Ferrari. So, how much do you have in stock? We have one in stock. You're just enough lucky to get the last one. Okay, what is it? Is it like, what color is it? It's a special one. It's blue. Oh yeah, yes. I want that. Yes, sure. Okay, I'll be right back in couple of minutes. Okay, yeah. I think he's gonna like the fact that it looks like a dolphin. It looks cool though, honestly. Okay, let's go. What is that? Called the it's called a dolphin god car. So yeah, it looks cool. Sup, Winnie the Pooh. Sup. Okay, do you want to take it for a test drive? Sure. Okay, here. Okay, how do you start? Okay, let me turn it on, and gotta get to super. Hear that explosion? Let's go, guys. Mario, are you okay? Yes. It just crashed. So, yeah, let's just go home. Yeah, let's leave it here. Even though our home wasn't really a day away. Okay. Let's go. Why are you sleeping on my tablet? Or iPad, whatever? I don't know, it's cool. I am rising. I am here. Mario, look over there. Look over there. What is it? Oh wait, what? The flying? It's what? It's a flying car. What? Name is Dolphin. Dolphin. Yeah, Dolphin God car. What? I came here to stop. I knocked him down. Let's go. Beat him up. No. I am fatter than a tank. Whatever. Yes. Mario. Yahoo! Ooh. Well, I killed him. Back to normal now. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Kind of took me a little bit to make it. But anyways, see you guys in the next one. Also, don't forget to hit that red button and the like button and the bell button so you don't miss any of our videos and YouTube shorts. I love making YouTube shorts because how long it takes. And bye guys. Fist bump.